Meet Flex Mobile. It's a full-featured Flex VRA you know, but now in a mobile format. Every Flex Mobile ships with a dedicated carrying case for easy transport and storage. A wireless remote gives you simple, one-touch control from anywhere in the room. The included tabletop stand makes setup fast, flexible, and stable. Move it from booth to booth or take it off-site without changing your workflow. It comes complete with an LED light bar, every Flex application, and the same industrial-grade monitor used in our booth systems. Flex Mobile also keeps the condition play audiometry games and visual tools right where you need them. Flex Mobile, full power, fully portable, VRA wherever you need it.